in Aldana, village of Aldana, the ex-chief secretary, Mr. Goel, he constructed a bungalow in a CRZ area, and for which I have filed a petition before the High Court, and simultaneously I also, but in fact I first complained to the CZMA and Panchayat body and so forth, but let's stick to the CZMA. Now when I complained to the CZMA, I have attached documents to show that the owner of the land who applied under 17(2) has admitted that it falls in the CRZ area, clearly in the format. Expert committee of the CRZ has also said that it is falling in the CRZ area. So accordingly, I have lodged a complaint with all those documents which says the owner saying I am in CRZ. So suddenly, without giving me any hearing, basic natural justice, जी माझी side ऐकून जाते because I am the complainant. Suddenly on the 490th meeting on 20th October, they had a meeting. The matter was not on the agenda, and he directed his member secretary to matter घाल लीजिए या meeting and decided that it does not fall in the CRZ area. Now this Kumar, IAS officer, is highly corrupt. हांव तुका सांगता माझे बद्दल न्हू. आता ex-chief secretary IAS officer, chairman IAS officer, so ते गोंयकार न्हू. The whole thing was to help him. It is nothing but corrupt practice. But very important, I am bringing to your notice that that Birch Club that got burnt, that matter also was before the CZMA. And he decided that it is not in eco-sensitive zone. आता ओपन गोंयाच्या फुड्यान खातें एप्रिल ते जो तर ताणें एक्शन घेतलेलें आयज 25 लोक थंय बाबडे मच्छर घातले. So आयज कितें येयला that entity who is the above body where we have to go in appeal has strictly sent a notice to the CZMA 6 jetties गोंया illegally चलता आनी हे कितें 6 months extension कितें दिता ती firing big strict order has come. It's come today on the papers that they will be heavily fined if they don't stop it immediately. आता ही नाटकां ही फायनाची पळय नाटकां म्हणटा तेका काय अर्थ ना. ते घालतात कोर्टांनी आनी फारीक करतात 5 लाख फायन. So to avoid all this nonsense, I have written to the CZMA to recall this order of mine immediately because natural justice has not been followed. I have not been heard when I am the complainant. How do you pass orders without hearing the complainant? And till today they have not informed me. तुझी स्ट्रॅटेजी कितें? आमी धाडले पोस्टार पण तुजो एपील टायम सगळो गेलो. सो आमी ते एपिलान बी वचोना कित्याक एपिलान वचत ते परत धाडटले थिंगा कन्सिडर दीस केसीस. So I have written to them to recall this order and hear the matter again and give me a hearing which is natural justice.
When you have written?
I'll give you the copy. That's what you are asking. I'll give you that only. I'll give you those copies only. But what I have done is, I have written also complaint to the Vigilance Department. Because this finds one work, the criminality of this man, of this action, has to be. And I have mentioned about the Birch Club also in my vigilance complaint. That these two have to be examined very, very seriously. And I am asking from the Chief Minister, who is Vigilance Department who comes under him, he should direct the Vigilance Department to look into this because my complaint, along with the minutes of the Birch Club, have been submitted to the Vigilance Department that this is the hereafter he has done. Criminal, it has to be examined, and I would like to tell the Chief Minister that tell him to the Vigilance Department should settle it within 15 days whether there is anything to investigate or not. Not just keep it in the file. And to tell me that there is nothing in that, then I will go to the higher authorities. My demand is to the Chief Minister to look into it seriously. Adana matter is equally serious because there is an ex-Chief Secretary of the Goa government who is getting involved in all this, and therefore Goa is getting destroyed. One is destroying it, the other is protecting it. So, these IAS officers, my demand also with the Chief Minister is, these sensitive positions like CRZ and all that should be kept a Goan. Not to say Goans are saints, I am not saying that. But किती तरी दया माया ही आमकां आशा. पण हे पळय तो बांदता तो 70 सुद्धा एका सेन्सिटिव्ह झोन and वो protect करता. So where are we going now? Only hope is the vigilance department. And if the CM is honest in tracking down all those who are involved in the responsibility of that Birch Club, if he is honest, this vigilance he should clear up this department.
Like, share, and subscribe.